Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can make new group on WhatsApp. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, you should go to the WhatsApp app. On the top right corner, you have a plus icon. Click on it. Click on new group. Now on this page, you should choose a member of this group, your contact. Click on next. Choose a name for your group, and also you can choose profile for it. You can customize the setting of the group. And then click on create. Now the group has been created. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like, and for more content like this, please subscribe to support me. Thank you.